To buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, you can follow these steps on either the website or the app, as the process is largely the same. First, navigate to the Trade section, which can be found in multiple locations on the website. Once you've clicked on Trade, select Bitcoin from the available options. If it's not immediately visible, you can search for it. Below the selection for Bitcoin, you'll see your available payment methods, which may include a wallet, credit or debit card, or PayPal. If you want to use a credit or debit card, you'll need to enter the relevant information and link your card. After setting up your payment method, you can proceed to choose the amount you want to buy, either in terms of the currency you're using or in terms of Bitcoin itself. For example, if you want to purchase 1 Bitcoin, you can see the corresponding cost, or you can specify a certain amount of currency, such as 100 euros. To invest, if you have sufficient funds in your wallet, you can confirm the purchase and complete the transaction. If your wallet is insufficiently funded, you may need to top it up before proceeding.